Well, hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I had to take it back to some just good memories. And this one I took it back to good old grandparents. Their Granny and my Mama D were some of the best cooks I know. So I took it back to just the good old garden cooking grandma southern meal that you get. So I did some good old pinto beans, and I did some okra in there with them later on. Did some Mexican cornbread. I fried up some okra and did some fresh tomato slices, and then chopped up an onion just to go with it. It just takes me back to just eating with them, and them filling you up till you pop, and then making you eat some more. But just what I told you I made, they would have about 18 other items to make you eat. And it was always so good. I wanted to eat more, but barely could fit it in. And then I felt bad for not eating it because they'd made it. But anyways, this is what this was. It was just a good old southern meal from the garden type. I'll put everything down below of what I made and how I made it, and I'll put a link to the Mexican cornbread that I did. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this. I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.